A tiny misstep can spectacularly unravel perfection, transforming ordinary tasks into extraordinary chaos. The thin line between flawless execution and utter disaster often disappears without warning. Unexpected consequences from a seemingly insignificant miscalculation become legendary moments of failure. Some failures transcend mere blunders, etched into collective memory precisely because of their scale. Humans constantly strive for improvement and greater efficiency in all aspects of daily life. This relentless ambition frequently leads to innovative, yet inherently risky new approaches to common problems. Even the simplest, most mundane actions can contain hidden complexities waiting to surface unexpectedly. The pursuit of convenience, often inadvertently, introduces entirely new and unforeseen points of failure. We often significantly underestimate the intricate mechanics behind supposedly common, effortless tasks. Consider a seemingly foolproof system meticulously designed for everyday, routine household use and comfort. The primary intention is always to simplify, streamline, or genuinely enhance a human experience. However, the real world introduces countless variables designers never fully anticipated or controlled. Gravity, unexpected physics, and inevitable human error combine in often unpredictable, surprising ways. These unforeseen elements transform minor glitches into epic, widely watched spectacles of failure. The quest for extraordinary perfection often results in spectacularly ordinary, unforgettable blunders. Understanding these magnificent mishaps reveals universal lessons about resilience and human fallibility. Imagine a confident homeowner attempting a seemingly simple, straightforward shelf installation project. They meticulously measure, carefully mark positions, and drill with unwavering, determined confidence. A slightly loose screw or minutely misaligned bracket, however, quickly proves utterly catastrophic. Suddenly, the entire shelf, laden with precious, fragile items, collapses dramatically downwards. Wait until you hear the true, unforeseen cost of such an unexpected, swift collapse. Another common scenario involves ambitious backyard landscaping projects and destroying nearby property. Individual decides to trim a untested large, heavy tree branch without proper equipment. The branch doesn't fall cleanly, but instead swings back violently, destroying nearby property. But that's not the strangest part. Often the panicked fix makes everything far worse. Consider the simple, modern act of setting up a brand new smart home device. Installation instructions seem perfectly straightforward, promising effortless, seamless integration and convenience. A tiny software glitch or network configuration error, however, quickly creates widespread chaos. Lights flash erratically, doors lock randomly, or alarms blare unexpectedly and quite uncontrollably. And then something unexpected happened. The device developed an autonomous mind of its own. Think about crucial public presentations, relying entirely on seemingly flawless projection systems. A vital cable disconnects, or the critical presentation file becomes hopelessly corrupted suddenly. The speaker stands awkwardly as technology completely betrays their meticulously planned professional efforts. You won't believe how quickly a professional, composed facade can entirely crumble under pressure. Picture a meticulously planned public stunt, or a grand, highly anticipated reveal event. Every single detail is rehearsed, every contingency accounted for rigorously and carefully. A fractional miscalculation in timing or force turns spectacle into utter farce. The grand entrance collapses, the confetti cannon misfires, or the ribbon breaks prematurely. But that's not the strangest part. The immediate viral aftermath truly defines the event. Consider a seemingly simple sporting event, captivating millions of global viewers instantly. An athlete performing a routine action makes an almost imperceptible, yet crucial error. A dropped ball, a slipped foot, or a misplaced step changes the game's history. Wait until you hear how these failures often become more famous than successes. Even cooking a simple meal can transform into an extraordinary, unforgettable kitchen nightmare. A forgotten ingredient or an incorrect temperature setting often spells culinary, irreversible doom. The oven catches fire, the soufflé collapses spectacularly, or the cake explodes surprisingly. And then something unexpected happened. The smoke detector added to the general chaos. These worst fails frequently become viral sensations, shared and rewatched by millions globally. They provide a strange, collective comfort, reminding us that nobody is truly perfect. Such moments highlight the inherent fragility of even the most basic human endeavors. The emotional payoff for viewers is a complex mix of schadenfreude and genuine empathy. They teach valuable lessons about meticulous preparation, foresight, and profound, Enduring humility. Sometimes, these spectacular failures even inspire entirely new designs or critical safety protocols. The grand spectacle of failure often inadvertently fosters remarkable innovation and human resilience. We genuinely learn more from spectacular mistakes than from flawless, anticipated execution. These instances underscore the profound, unexpected beauty in human fallibility itself and its lessons. They transform ordinary attempts into unforgettable, truly extraordinary, cautionary, and often amusing events. Ultimately, the quest to make life extraordinary often reveals its inherent, charming unpredictability. These magnificent fails remind us to embrace imperfection and learn from every human stumble. If you found these extraordinary blunders fascinating, subscribe for more captivating insights and share your favorite fails below.